Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to study about the Excel basics like Vlookup, Hlookup and the lookup functions. Okay, so here's the Excel. So let's create a dummy data of rows and columns. Okay, so let's create some dummy data like name, then salary and then years. Okay, now name can be like John, then Thanos, then Batman, then Captain America and Iron Man. Okay, salary can be like, let's take 12,000 and let's write this as 12,000 is equal to, yep, and we can drag it down. Years can be 2 and this can be 2 plus this. Because my drag option is not working, I'm not sure why it is not working, so let's go ahead. Yeah, so this is the dummy data like name, salary, years. These are the headings. Okay, let's write these as headings. Okay, and this is the data like John, 12,000 and Batman, etc. Okay, so now what is Vlookup? So basically Vlookup function helps us to look into data with respect to the whatever rows we are having. Okay, so suppose let's copy this, or just let's copy this one. Okay, and now if now there are just only 5 columns, right? But what if there are 5,000 columns? You need not look like if you want to look this one John, and if you want to know its salary, then you cannot go to each row and check the value, right? So it will be like hectic job. So there comes the Vlookup function. So what you can do is just double click on the cell and give is equal to sign, then type Vlookup, then it will come pop up. Then it asks for lookup value, so lookup value is John. Okay, and then table array. So table array is nothing but our entire table. Okay, in which you are checking. And then next is column index. So column index is nothing but this one. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So we are looking for 2, right? So this is 2. And next it asks for true, approximate match, or false, exact match. So we are looking for exact match, so we'll write 0 and then close the bracket and press enter. So as you can see, John is having salary of rupees 12,000, right? So if I change to Batman, it will change to 36,000. So this is how Vlookup works. And suppose if you want to get the years here, then what you can do is you can copy this here, you will get the years, right? So this is how you get the years, right? So this is about the Vlookup. That means if you want to look for the values from the rows and you want to specific this data, then you can look up the value. Also you can do like this, like you can like Vlookup and what row you are looking for, that is Batman, sorry. So this, let's write these itself. So what you can do is, this is our lookup value, then this is table of array, and then column index is 3, right? So we can do is 3 and then exact match, so you can hit enter. So this also works, right? So basically you need to specify the column index here in case of Vlookup. Okay, so the next thing is Hlookup. Okay, so let's take these columns, this one, and if I want to paste here, I will right click on this cell, and as you can see the transpose option, right? You can click it so that the data gets transposed. That means name, salary, years, these columns will come under row, and John, Thanos, Batman, data will come, like the data gets transposed. Okay, basically. So when the data is in this format, right? So we need to make use of Hlookup. So what will happen here is suppose now let's take name and salary here. Okay, same. Okay, let's, okay, name and salary, Now what will happen here is, let's take John here, control C, control V. Now we want a salary, right? So what we'll do is double click here and then Lookup. Okay, then lookup value is John, right? And then table of array is this, so we need to select this. And then next is row index column. So basically this is row 1, row 2, so we need second row, and then also exact match, right? So hit enter, so we will get John 12,000. Now suppose if I name to Batman, then it will change automatically, right? And also if you want the years here, right, then what you can do is equal to Hlookup, right? Hlookup, then lookup value is this, and then table of array is this, comma, row index is now third one, right? And then exact match, we'll get this 6, that is age. Now if I change to Thanos, then it will change automatically. So this is how Hlookup comes in picture. So basically if the data is in your columns are in the form of rows and data is in the form of columns, then what you can do, you can make use of Hlookup. Okay, so it basically help us to look for the data in the form of rows and columns. Okay, so both Vlookup and Hlookup. Okay, now we will understand the lookup function. Okay, so suppose now if you want to get the salary in years here, okay, so what we'll do is we'll have, okay, let's take the names here, lookup and salary, right? Now what we'll do, in case of 12,000 we want the years here. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll write lookup, then it's asked for lookup value, right? And then lookup vector. So lookup vector is nothing but this one, right? So you can just close the bracket and hit enter. So as you can see, 12,000 years is 2, and if I write here 48,000, then it will also give 8. But what if I write something which is not there, like 48 or 46 900, like that? So it will give 6, because it lies between 36 and 48, so it will give the first occurring value, right? So if I give 65,000, then it will give 10, because it occurs above this, so it will give this value. Okay, so this is how lookup function works. That means it gives the average value here, but in case of Vlookup or Hlookup, it gives NA here. Okay, now if you want the name also here, then what you can do is name also here. Then what you can do is, in case of lookup, let's try this. So 12,000, and then years will write the lookup function. Okay, and then we will select this lookup value, and then years lookup value is vector is this. Okay, and then result vector is this. Okay, and then before entering this, if I want to select the, then it will become 11 in case of the second row, like it will increase like B3, C3, etc. Okay, so we don't want that. So what we will do is we will fix this value. So to fix this value, what you can do is press Fn and F4, that is lock this. Keep your cursor here and press Fn, F4. Okay, just for the two values, that is one lookup and then whatever you're searching for. Okay, then hit enter, so it will become 2. Now if I drag this here, it is giving 0 because nothing is there here. Okay, but what if I paste this column here? Now it will give John, right? So this is how it works. Now if I want the 60,000, okay, let's check for 60,000, then it will give 10 and 9. So this is how basically a lookup function works. So in case of Vlookup and Hlookup, we had to select the column headers also, like entire data like this. but in case of lookup, you need to select only the data, okay, that is lookup value and whatever you are looking for, lookup vector, okay, and then you can hit the enter. If you want to get the all the columns, then what you can do is lookup value, lookup vector, and then lock this, and then you can just drag it down, okay, so it will work. So this was all about Vlookup, Hlookup, and lookup. So hope you learned something and understood something. And if you like this video, do hit the subscribe button. Till then, take care. Bye bye.